Ani Ani. Here's the story of the Mkwa Giizis. Mkwa Giizis. Mkwa Giizis. Pi getche Mkwa nishkad. Zagjeweb nun. Wadam konsman. We kendang ejwebak. Gishpin Mkonsag. Ba damno wad. We abwa. Gishpin Mkonsag. Bind ge wad. Bind ge wad. Ngudwaso name Giizhigad. Minik we gisinam gat. Mi manda nishnabe ga kedya wad. Jagnash gi anjetun wa manda. Kookjiish Giizhigad shinkade. Ko nishing sak Giizhigak. Mkwa Giizis. Aha, miigwech. When the big bear awakens, she throws her cubs out to find out what the weather is like. If the cubs stay out to play, there will be mild weather. If the cubs return to the den, there will be 6 more weeks of cold weather. This is what the Indians, Nishnabek, used to say long ago. The white man Jagnash changed this story. It is now called the Groundhog Day, the 2nd day of February. Aha, chimi glech. Mino Kookjiish Giizhigad.